EpiSwap, name project EpiSwap.finance. So this is a very good project for staking platform for staking and farming. As you can see that about the statistics about APE stats, you can check that the price of EpiSwap coin native coin name is Banana Coin, and its Banana Coin is now $10.321 approximately too. So you can, it is a very easy and exchange, so you can change your coin on one click. So it is very easy because you can connect, you have to just connect your MetaMask wallet, click on connect button and connect your MetaMask wallet, and then select your coin, for example BNB. EpiSwap is a BSC based project, BSC Binance Chain project. So select BNB and currency and select for Banana Coin and select to maximum, and then click on swap your BNB swap to Banana Coin. Then provide liquidity. If you want to provide liquidity or earn money, then provide liquidity of both of two coins. It means that provide if a pair of BNB and Banana Coin, then provide $50 buying BNB and $50 buying Banana Coin. It means that total investment is $100. Then click on liquidity, provide liquidity. You will have received LP tokens, and then farm these LP tokens into farms, and and select a pair Banana BNB, Banana USD. It means that Banana BNB pair, Banana BUSD pair, BUSD BNB pair, and select one of this pair. APR means 452%. It means annual profit rate. If you select this pair, you will earn Banana Coin. You just have to unlock wallet and provide the LP token liquidity. Then you will receive your farming is starting, and you will receive the profit. If you want to invest in other coins, you can buy auto BNB. You have to buy auto coins or BNB. It means that if you want to invest $200, then $100 auto and $100 BNB. Then provide liquidity, and your liquidity becomes and your LP tokens. You have LP tokens. Then LP tokens provide to the farming platform. So there are many farming opportunities, so you can check it and invest in any of your favorite farming. So there are pools. If you want to invest in pool, banana pool, if you have banana coins, then invest in pool coin. Pool, you will receive banana in return of banana coins. If you have ontology coin, ONT coin, you will receive 97% APR. Invest in ontology coin. Just you don't have two coins. You just have, if you want to provide pools, invest in pools, so you have just one coin. If you want to invest in ontology, you have ontology, provide liquidity, and then it's okay. VFT, Bitfresh pool. So there are many pools. You can select SAFEP, SafePal pool, NFT, banana pool, Gen, Oxy, Alloy, Swap, Node. There are different opportunities of earning. So there is also an opportunity of earning IEO. In IEO, you can participate in different IEOs and earn money. You have to stake banana coin for participating in IEOs. And there are IEO is a platform where new projects listed and pre-sales are held. So just you have to stake banana coin for participate in IEOs, and it means that you will receive there are two IOs, past IOs. So there is coming IOs is you can check all this detail, but unfortunately it is finished. But don't worry, next IO is coming soon. So there is also a new opportunity, NFA, non-fungible tokens or APEs. You can buy or sell these tokens. You can also check the details of these all these tokens, APY lottery system info, more, or you can check all the details about the AppySwap platform, AppySwap finance. You can check this news that Ontology partnership with we team up with the Ontology wallet. It means see our freezy with our 250k dollar in rewards up for grabs. So check all the details: banana statistics, banana and DEX liquidity, the USD market cap, banana in circulation, lock. All these you can check about this status on AppySwap on Twitter. This is a new decentralized exchange that is built on BSC Binance Chain platform. So there is a very huge community of crypto users that are connected with this AppySwap and using this AppySwap. So you can check it on Instagram. The team is very active and growing this platform. Try to grow this platform day by day. So there are different NFT holders. NFT, if you have NFT, you can earn also NFT. So there is also an opportunity of earning money through NFT. So attention, if you have so there are different tweets. You can check all these tweets. So there are different partnerships. There is tweet of giveaway. If you want to participate in giveaway, then retweet this tweet or follow these accounts and tag 3 friends. You will participate in the banana coin. So you can check about the details of banana coin through their white paper. In this white paper we can see that AppySwap is a decentralized exchange, automated market maker, yield farming and staking platform running on Binance Smart Chain with lots of other features that let you earn and win tokens. So stake, pool and earn banana coins along with many of their tokens, many other tokens, all on AppySwap. The exchange is automated. There are features: trade, earn, win, AppySwap lottery throw. So invest, collect non-fungible tokens. So you can also check that yield. What is yield farming? If you don't know about yield farming, that you can check if you are considering supplying liquidity to one of our pool in order to farm. It's important to understand the effects of impermanence loss. For a great guide on impermanent loss, check out the article from Binance Academy. So these are all the details about AppySwap. You can check it on their website or Medium. So thank you for watching my video.